Hello students, welcome once again. Let us continue our chapter number 4 of history, that is the freedom struggle of 1857. Dear students, in the previous lecture we have learnt that Mangal Pandey was arrested and hanged to death. Then because of this, the entire regiment of Indian sepoys took part in the freedom struggle and they marched towards Delhi. And on the way, many revolutionaries joined this march and they were succeed. They captured Delhi and Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah was the emperor of India. Now in this lecture we are going to learn how the scope of the struggle increased. Let us start. The self-confidence of the sepoys increased with the capture of Delhi. It also gave inspiration to other soldiers. The revolt soon spread in North India. The Indian soldiers revolted in cantonments from Bihar to Rajputana. Dear students, after the capture of Delhi, sepoys' self-confidence was increased and the revolt spread to the whole of the North India. The soldiers in the cantonments from Bihar to Rajasthan, they rose in revolt. The revolt spread in Lucknow, Allahabad, Kanpur, Banaras, Bareilly and Jhansi. Later it spread to South India. Dear students, the revolt spread many states such as Lucknow, Allahabad, Kanpur, Banaras, Bareilly and Jhansi, and later it spread to South India. In the revolt, Chhatrapati Pratap Singh of Satara and his officer Rango Bapuji, Chimba Sahib of Kolhapur, Baba Sahib Bhave of Nargund, Bhagoji Naik of Ahmednagar were in the forefront. Dear students, the leaders, they took part in the revolt from various countries, various states. Royal Queens of Peth, Surgana from Nasik district also participated in Khajar Singh. The Bhils revolted, whereas Shankar Shah led the revolt in Satpura region. 400 female Bhils participated in the revolt at Khandesh. The students, the royal queens of Peth. Peth means the area which is near the village. The royal queens of Peth, Surgana, it is in Nasik district. They also participated in the revolt. And about 400 female Bhils participated in the revolt at Khandesh. Now let us learn about the leadership of the struggle. Means the leaders who participated in the struggle. During the 18th CA, after the weakening of Mughal Empire, invaders like Nadir Shah Abdali attacked India. When after the during the 18th century, when Mughal Empire became weakened and the invaders such as Nadir Shah Abdali, they attacked India And the Marathas understood that Mughal Empire cannot react to these foreign invasions and took up the responsibility of safeguarding India. The Marathas fought against Abdali at Panipat for the same reason. Dear students, when Maratha knows that the Mughal Empire uh, cannot be able to fought against the British, and then some of the Maratha they took part in the struggle, and they took the responsibility on their shoulder to save India. The Marathas fought against Abdali at Panipat for the same reason. In the freedom struggle of 1857, the descendant of Mughals, Bahadur Shah, was incapable of fighting against the British. Understanding the condition, Nana Sahib Peshwa, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, and Tatya Tope took up the charge of the freedom struggle of 1857. Dear students, when Maratha understood that when Maratha know the condition, the Mughal emperor means Bahadur Shah, he was not capable of fighting against the British, and then they uh, means Nana Sahib Peshwa, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, and Tatya Tope, they took up the charge of freedom struggle of 1857. Its effects could be seen on the Hindu-Muslim unity in this struggle. Maulavi Ahmad Allah conversing Mughal commander Bakht Khan, Begum Hazrat Mahal led the revolt in various regions. The nature of revolt in Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, Jhansi were Bihar, West Bihar was more fierce. Dear students, here you can see the image of Nana Sahib Peshwa. Nana Sahib Peshwa, Tatya Tope, Rani Lakshmibai, they took part in the freedom struggle, and the effect of its there was Hindu-Muslim unity, and Maulavi Ahmed Allah and some other leaders, they revolt in the struggle. They led the revolt in various regions, and the nature of revolt in Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, Jhansi, West Bihar was more fierce. Now let us learn the further point, that is crushing of the struggle. The Indians wholeheartedly fought against the British, including soldiers, zamindars, kings, commanders, and common people. The students, here in the freedom struggle, who fought against the British, they are soldiers, zamindars, kings, commanders, and common people. Means soldiers, zamindars, kings, commander, and common people took part wholeheartedly, and they fought against the British. The Indian sepoys started the freedom struggle before the fixed time. Initially, they succeeded, but military strength and uh, before learning further point, my dear students, see here the leaders, images of leaders: Tatya Tope, Rani Lakshmibai, Begum Hazrat Mahal, and Kunwar Singh, who fought against the British and they became successful. Then administration of British rule was vast. The British crushed down the struggle by all means. The British made quick recovery and within next 6 months regained the lost territories. Rani Lakshmibai conversing Ahmedullah led their lives. Dear students, here the British crush down the struggle. They used various means and they made quick recovery and within next 6 months regained the lost territories. And some of the leaders such as Rani Lakshmibai, Kanwar Singh, Ahmedullah, they led their lives. They sacrificed their lives for the India. Bahadur Shah was imprisoned at Rangoon. Nana Sahib and Begum Hazrat Mahal took shelter in Nepal. The students here, Bahadur Shah, he was imprisoned at Rangoon, and Nana Sahib and Begum Hazrat Mahal, they took shelter in Nepal. Dear students, please keep in mind, you will be asked the question, who, which leaders took shelter in Nepal. So please remember, Nana Sahib and Begum Hazrat Mahal, they took shelter in Nepal. Tatya Tope, he fought for next 10 months against the British, but due to betrayal he was caught and hanged to death. Dear students, betrayal means fraud. Because of fraud he was caught and he hanged to death, and in this way by the end of 1858 the British ruthlessly crushed down the struggle. Even though the struggle began with the discontent among Indian soldiers, but later the peasants, artisans, common people, tribes came together to fight against the British. In this rebellion, Hindus, Muslims stood up with a great force. Their common aim was overthrowing the British from India. And dear students, here their common aim means whose common aim? Hindus and Muslims, and they stood together, they stood up a great force, and the aim of Hindus and Muslims, that is overthrowing the British from India, means they decided to uh, remove the power of British from India. There was an inspiration of gaining independence behind this struggle, and therefore this freedom struggle gained a national form. The students, in this way, we learn that many leaders, they sacrificed their lives, they took part in the freedom struggle, but the Britishers crushed down the struggle, and so many were sacrificed their lives. Now, my dear students, in the in the next video we will learn the causes of failure of the struggle. So thank you and have a nice day.